Are you PCSing to JBLM? This video could save you thousands and tons of stress. Every single month, I help military families relocate to the JBLM area. And probably the biggest mistake I see is that people choose the wrong location first. Everyone says generally just live close to base, but that's not always the best move. I grew up in this area. Lacey, Olympia, DuPont, Yelm, all of them offer completely different lifestyles, price points, and commute times. And the reality is that your commute can vary by anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on which location you buy it. That's going to add up fast with early mornings and longer afternoon drives. Also, if you're using your VA loan, you've got a huge advantage right now, but you've still got to be careful and be competitive when you write your offer. Another mistake I've seen is buying sight unseen without a solid game plan. You need someone local working for you that can walk homes for you, spot issues like bad smells or other issues with the home, and guide you through pretty much everything. The goal isn't just to find a house. It's to land in the right area with the right strategy and set your family up for long term. If you're PCSing to JBLM and don't know where to start, shoot me a message. I'll help you map out the best areas, commute, and options before you make a move. This is Jason Munoz from Munoz Home Group here in Western Washington. I'll see you on the next video.